the one thing to look at today is the MACD, and historically, this is the lowest the MACD has ever been on Bitcoin. Ever. It's never gotten to this level, which means from a TA standpoint that we're extremely oversold.
Cryptoslo, cryptocurrency news and investing.
Cryptoslo with more crypto gains. What's going on, guys? Man, we continue that dip, and a dip that is. Some people are saying 50%, but as the title of the video says, Bitcoin is oversold. It's ridiculously oversold. I haven't posted in the last couple days. I've been busy with stuff, and the reality is, there really isn't a lot to do when we're on the dip, other than buy the dip. Now, as far as that goes, am I saying to buy crypto right now? No. Depends on your situation. Are we at the bottom? Nobody knows. It's a falling knife, okay? But the one thing to look at today is the MACD, and historically, this is the lowest the MACD has ever been on Bitcoin. Ever. It's never gotten to this level, which means from a TA standpoint that we're extremely oversold. But does that mean it's the bottom? No, it doesn't mean it's the bottom. Does that mean I'm selling my Bitcoin? Absolutely not. I'm good. I'm good. I've been telling you for several weeks to take profits on alts that you're up. And if you didn't, you weren't listening. Did I say liquidate? No, take profits responsibly. When things are up, shave off 10%, shave off 20%. Deleverage. I keep going into this. Deleverage, pay down your house, pay off your car, pay off your credit cards. Because when the bad times come and things get tight, okay, you're sitting pretty, and you can live at the lowest, amount of money possible because you paid off those bills when you were up. So, with that being said, that's my thoughts on the market right now. It's way oversold, and I told you the alts would get slaughtered if you were in some of these alts, non-blue chips. And it's true, you got slaughtered. Look at your Satoshi value. My portfolio is less than 10 cryptos. I keep it very simple. I focus on accumulation of sats. It sucks to see it down, but you don't lose until you sell, as the saying says. Now, as far as opportunities, I did move a little my BTC over to the east side because from that standpoint, I think ETH hasn't finished its run. It's still dipping, but from a Satoshi value, it looked like a good opportunity. So I went ahead and took that opportunity and picked up some ETH. Now, degenerate activities. Don't go chasing the gains. Remember, let the gains come to you. If you get into degen farms and other unproven stuff, especially on a downtrend, okay, it will amplify your losses, meaning you'll get double slaughtered if you go into a shitty farm. So again, degen activities right now, no. You do degen activities when when things are on an uptrend. It gives you a better probability of making money. Yeah. So, in all, does this mean we're in a bear market because we've had this perpetuated 40 or 50% drop? And the answer to that is no. Nothing's changed. We've seen a 40 or 50% drop before, right before things rocket. Now, however, there is the possibility we will continue to go down. And you ask, well, what is the bottom? The worst case scenario the worst, end of the world, is 10K. If we hit 10K, we would be in a bear market, and it would probably last a couple years. With that being said, we're at the 32.8. We touched it. You know, if you look at the Elliott wave theory, we're on the C wave, you know, and we're waiting for the D wave. And, you know, that's TA. TA can go out the door, you know. I think all of this has been amplified by the FUD, you know, the China banning Bitcoin again. Who really cares? They've done this 1,000 times. Biden saying he's going to ramp up taxes. Just pay your damn taxes. Good Lord. That's not FUD. You have to pay your taxes. I just finished my taxes. It was not pretty. I was crying. So, you know, the thing, it sucks, but you got to pay the piper. Take care of your liabilities first and then pay yourself, you know. Pay your liabilities. You know, you don't want to be in that. You don't want to be in that. So I don't think we're in a bear yet. You know, I don't think. I mean, if we break down towards a 61.8, oh, that's really low. That's really low. Let's just hope that doesn't happen. You know, I'm not here to coddle you. I'm crypto for life, and that hasn't changed. You know, just again, the lesson here is when you're getting that euphoria, that money dance, take a little profit. If everyone around you is braggadociously saying how much money they've made, that's a flag to take some profits, okay? So, you know, I learned that the hard way from 17. You know, I went through that story of losing everything and recovering from it, you know. But, you know, 50%, it's a dip. What are you going to do? Buy the dip, baby. Buy the dip. So let's hope that we don't continue to go down. All this stupid FUD with the China and the taxes, you know, we get a bounce and everybody forgets about it. So, you know, and again, I'm not chasing any farms or anything right now. The only speculative play I've made is I picked up about 300,000 Harmony coin. And I'm just kind of sitting on it. It's gone down a little bit. I'm just DCAing. So I'm not too concerned about it. The reality is if Bitcoin picks back up again, we'll be right back on track, you know, with all the smart contract stuff and all that monkey business. And I do believe Harmony has some potential. I picked up a little H-Moochie and some Viper that I got in the Viper pit. But speculatively, that is the only thing I'm doing right now is a little bit of Harmony. That's about it. That's about it. Yeah. So, and we're just waiting. It's just a waiting game to see what's gonna happen with this market. You know, it is what it is. We'll see. But yeah, don't panic. Don't sell. You know the drill. Anyways, like, subscribe. Oh, and there's a bonus. Like, subscribe, and as always, this is Cryptoslo. If you're not talking games, then we're not talking.